Hi, this is Soulful Intuitive Tarot. Today I am going to do a reading for Aries now. So if it resonates with you, please do like, share and subscribe. This is my first reading as for the zodiac sign of Aries. So feel free to comment on the comment section. So without wasting too much time, I'll start the reading. So let's see what has come up. The first card out is Seven of Wands. Let's see. I'll pull out all the cards and then we'll start looking into the cards. We'll look into the past, present and the future. And the overall energy is the King of Swords. Alright. So, if for Aries, it has been a struggle. As I can see in the past, you have Seven of Wands. You're trying to defend yourself. This is a situation where a marriage is involved and you are looking into your love life right now. There is a Hierophant card and World. So right now at this present moment you are focused on yourself. You're taking time out. Both you have the Four of Swords and the Hangman in your energy, and you're feeling trapped inside. You're feeling trapped by this love situation which is weighing very heavy on you, and you have someone who's constantly thinking about you and you want to reciprocate with them, but you are stuck in this situation which is already in your proximity, in your environment. I think you're living with this person, this marriage situation, and you want to come out of it. You're trying to protect yourself from this situation. Actually, this is quite a situation which is making you feel very trapped and uncomfortable right now. You just want to break free and come out of this situation into a situation where you are looking at Six of Cups, a past relationship, past life relationship, but you want to collaborate with them, you want to work with them, and what your future holds is you feel victorious with them, and you are very positive about this, and you're just taking your time out right now. This is the situation and you want to work out. This is clearly this is a three-party situation where you are feeling trapped and you are ready to come forward as a King of Swords by telling the truth about the situation and moving forward. This is nothing, you are not confused anymore, though you are feeling trapped right now, because there are few issues must be that are keeping you trapped and you want to sort them out. This must be your person, or it can be you as well. I mean, it can be interchanged. Maybe your person is trying to pull out of themselves from a situation which is very toxic for them, and it's not. They are trying to fully defend themselves and fight for it. Maybe they are fighting for a divorce settlement and they are coming towards you. The energy which is coming is very beautiful. You have Six of Swords, Three of Pentacles and Six of Wands. Victory. Alright Aries, these are the cards. This is the reading for you, and I'll see you in the next reading. Till then, bye and take care.